Ni kadege Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kasni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Menteri jong ketenat kampok yeng ke Sorkar jelna ubak Lahkmen Rymbui haka arpo waitrik urusau arjar arpo ulaong baka Sorkar jelna kamshim na Shong klikti Halor ke Jingjia ke Baladep haka Shong Ichamati habaya keren bat ke Batisi TV ubak Lahkmen Rymbui ulayatho Halor ke Jingkeno baki jaj benriu Bengali kisah pendik ha Ichamati ke Sorkar kalapa tokit lengba ke Deputy Commissioner haka balalam baka day tang kajing keno kabamdon nong rim satya uba Lahkmen Rymbui ula pentip Halor kani hadin ba laingut kijat benriu Bengali kilalay yekendo ya ulat kejela usatya pal malik dangshen shosho ula ongru ba hakasnong Ichamati hadu mentahi kamshim ladon ke Jingjia ka bakta yeka shongsuk shongsan henry barok kinong shongsnong laki day kitrasnong neki bar jelaru ki im hapreng ke shongsuk shongsan.
As per the complaint received from the by the government, so the deputy commissioner has ordered inquiry, and also from the police, we have ordered an inquiry, and we found that whatever allegation, it is totally baseless. Moreover, that as of now, there is no law and order, no tension, nothing in Ichamati. The people, whether the tribal or not tribal, they are living peacefully. So, one thing is I request that each and everybody, that we should not take anything as a communal tension, as a communal, bring a communal color to any statement or bring a communal color to any incident which happen or may happen. So that is the only thing I request. Whatever it is needed for the to maintain the peace and tranquility in the state. But I don't foresee that there will be a breakdown of law and order in the state. We are the state has suffered a lot during the last 9 months, and the people, they are starting to do the normal life. This hiccup, if it is there, then we will try to resolve it, whatever issue. So that is the only thing. We in Shillong, in spite of people outside, they look at us. We are the peace-loving people, and we respect each and every religious festival, and we respect the religious belief of everybody. So I don't see that anything will happen. But having said that, it is a duty of the government that to see that extra measure if needed. We will do that, as I said before, that peace and tranquility should be there in the state of Meghalaya. So once again, I request that any people who are outside or inside, that this is not the time to share the atmosphere by or act of doing or anything. Let us see that genuine issue which is there, the government is there, we will tackle it as per the process of law. Multiple thousand times is bigger than our universe. Virtual sphere is far, far bigger than our world. So policing, that's why on the day one, when I assumed the office or as the Home Minister, I've already spoken that it's not very easy to police the cyber sphere because of multiple issues, technology, this and that. But having said that, it is the duty of the media, it is the duty of the citizen that we should not fall trap into this type of people who want to create the atmosphere of fear, atmosphere of unrest, honestly in the mind of the people. It is the best is just ignore them, so that they will see that when you didn't give any importance to them, so they will die a natural death. But you cannot say that, but there are also people who play who take a social media as a platform to use anti-social thing in the media, whether in the crime, whether in cheating, or whether spread whatever intention which they want. So it is our duty as the police. We are coordinating not only within the state, with other state government also, that how to cope this type of thing. But having said that, as I said before, that the virtual world is far greater than our natural world. So and moreover, technology is coming out day by day, new technology. So those people, they are one step ahead. So we will try to do our best to cope all those type of things. But as the police, it is not very easy for us to take action then and there. And as the police, it's not very easy for us to track all this virtual media. And you don't know whether they use now the technology is so fast, whether they use the platform here, they use the data within the state or the data within the country, or some who knows, they may use even the VPN of the other countries also. It is very difficult for us to do anything right away, but we are also trying to innovate, to try. That's why I request you all, my media friends, that before publishing any media, before believing any media rumor, so you have to verify. And especially at this time, at this juncture, I request you, my friend from the media, don't try to publish any unverified, unconfirmed report in the social media or in the media which may vitiate that the atmosphere in the state. So yes, you are doing your right as the media to keep the report to the public, to keep the news to the public, but please filter it. What is to be given to outside media, what is rumor, what is a fact.